This is probably one of the top niches that you can get into as a small business owner. I've seen so many successful shops with this product, and it is. Hello crafters, and welcome to another video with Amy Makes That here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing all the secrets on the top products that you should start selling this year with your Cricut machine. Can't believe that this video got that much traction on it. That video was posted about 2 years ago, and I wanted to make an updated version because I talked more about the niches that would be great. But today we're getting a little bit more specific. So if you enjoy Cricut tutorials, projects, business tips like today's video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here, and let's get straight into the video. I will be sharing the 6 products that you can sell, but I also will share some tips that you should keep in mind when you are considering making products with your Cricut. So the first thing to keep in mind is that make sure the item that you are planning on selling is a low-cost item. And what I mean by that is you want your materials that you buy for the certain Cricut project that you're selling to be low, because that's how we make a profit. You're gonna have to do some research on different wholesale websites, blanks, and how you can keep your costs low. I do have a video on the top places that you can buy blanks that I will link here. The second important thing to keep in mind when you are selling Cricut projects is if that product is able to be made in multiple ways, you are set. And I'm gonna give the examples later on, but for example, if you sell a coffee mug, you can make different designs, whether that may be seasonal designs, custom designs, different colors, fonts, and that will also increase sales because you will get returning customers to your shop. The third thing is to stay in your niche. Now I have talked about what a niche is in my free downloadable guide that you can sign up with the link in the video description. It is a free download that shares what a niche is and then choose your products based on it. So I don't want to explain too much about it because all of the information is in that free download, which again will be linked in the video description for you. And the last thing is to not so much focus on trending products. You want to more so focus on products that customers actually need. Now don't get me wrong, it is great to hop on trends every now and then, but it's also not a great way to get consistent sales and consistent customers because products that people need are key. By the way, if you want even more advice on how to really make money with your Cricut, I offer one-on-one sessions for craft businesses or crafters looking to start. My contact page will be linked in the video description for those who are interested. But you can always check out my free resources like this YouTube tutorial that goes in more depth on how to make money with your Cricut. Now let's get into the first product that you should sell with your Cricut that will make you so much money. And I say that because this product is a low-cost item. Remember tip number 1. And it is also a product that is in demand, and it is labels. The great thing about making labels with your Cricut is that you can make it 2 different ways. You can either make vinyl labels with adhesive permanent vinyl or removable vinyl, or you can make them as print then cut projects as stickers. Some of the best niches for labels are for teachers. So think about how many things that teachers love to label in their classroom. They also need labels for the children that they teach. Another niche idea that you can do for labels is moving. People are always going to be moving. Or even if it's not a moving label, maybe it's just home in general. If someone wants to organize the big boxes that they have in their attic, in their basement, wherever it is, people are trying to constantly get organized in their life. Labels are such a very common household general product that people need, and it's also very low cost. So that's a great product to get into if you're looking to start a business with your Cricut. The second product that you can sell with your Cricut involves a very popular niche that will always be in demand, an item that will really in return make you a lot more money. And the product is wedding boxes / wedding bundles. For example, think about the things that a bridesmaid would need in her proposal box. You can make custom glasses such as champagne flutes, wine glasses, a robe that is heat pressed on with their name. And what's great about bundles or boxes is that you can offer those products as individual products on your website, or you can offer them as bundles on your shop for a reduced price. Some people might just want 1 or 2 things, but some customers want to say, hey, I don't want to do all this work, let me just order this box completely and ship it off and send it my way. Boxes and bundles don't have to be limited to the wedding niche. They could be birthday gifts, bachelorette bundles, the list goes on. The third product that I want to share is a product that has been really popular in the craft world especially, and also in the small business world, and they are the Libbey cups. You might might know them as the beer can glasses. Something about these cups, man. People love them so much. Your entire shop can just be based on the Libbey cups. You can also sell the straws on the side, the lids on the side. You can offer different sizes. You can apply adhesive vinyl to those cups with your transfer tape. But of course, you don't have to limit yourself to just seasonal things. You can include designs that may be butterflies or food. So when your ideal customer is someone that loves these Libbey cups, they can go back to your shop and say, oh, I really need to get this coffee cup for my best friend because she loves iced coffee. Or I can go back to the shop that I got the Libbey cup from 2 months ago because I want one for myself. The fourth item that you can sell with your Cricut machine to make you lots of money is a product that I actually used to sell when I had my craft business. And this product is doormats. It is a much longer process, I will say, than just your average Cricut project. Make sure that you are able to uphold making doormats in bulk and you have the room and space for it. Doormats can not only be a gift for yourself, but they're also great housewarming gifts, engagement gifts, wedding gifts. And the great thing about doormats is that you can make custom doormats. And doormats are a common household item. People always want to decorate their homes. So if you are up for the challenge for making doormats for your website and your small business, then I highly suggest that product. So the fifth product, maybe I wouldn't say product, but it kind of is a niche in some sort. This is probably one of the top niches that you can get into as a small business owner. I've seen so many successful shops with this product and item, and it is party decorations. Think about how many parties and how many celebrations, events that you have to go to, and look around. There's always some kind of decor. Was there an invitation received? Are there signs, banners? Are there favors? Those are all items that you can make with your Cricut that involve the party decor niche. Some of the most common party event niches that you can get into, you might be able to guess some of them. Weddings are definitely a big one, but then underneath that, bridal showers, bachelorette parties, birthday parties, retirement parties, graduation parties, baby showers. Think about all the decorations that are needed for a baby shower. And you can just keep adding and adding to your shop with different products and different themes for parties. Party decorations are it. And the last product that you can sell with your Cricut is cake toppers. I have seen so many different kinds of cake toppers out there that you can easily just make your website dedicated to custom party cake toppers, which really I think is the fun part about having a small business, is that you can bring your creative side into making a custom cake topper for someone, for example, their name. And I know it kind of falls into the previous product that I mentioned about party decorations. If you wanted to make a small business just on cake toppers, you would be the go-to website for anyone to shop for your cake toppers, because we don't just have one event in our lives and are like, okay, we're done. There's so many events in our personal lives as the consumer, but then also in the consumer's families' lives, friends' lives, that they might want to get a cake topper for. So those are the top 6 products that you can start selling with your Cricut today to start a small business with. If you need more assistance with how to start a craft business, I do have a craft business playlist here on YouTube, as well as some other helpful resources on my website at amymakesthat.com and on my social media at amymakesthat on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. So if you aren't already following me on those platforms, please do. And if you liked today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button to see more videos like this, because we are so close to 100K, which means giveaway time. And I don't know who doesn't love a good giveaway. I will see you in the next YouTube video. Bye!
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. Yeah. Feel the mile.